Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a Python file in Visual Studio Code Easy Guide. VS Code is a powerful code editor that makes writing Python code easy. So here's a step-by-step guide to help you create and run a Python file. The first thing that you need to do before you begin, make sure Python is installed onto your system. To go ahead and install this, you need to download it from the official Python website and follow the installation step. So this is the Python website that you could install it. So just go ahead and copy this URL in here and then download the latest version of this one. So we have different OS as well in here that is available. Just go ahead and choose which one is applicable for your device. Right after, to go ahead and check if Python is already installed, just open Terminal, click on Terminal here onto the upper part, and new terminal, and then you'll just need to go ahead and type in the specific line to check your Python version or to check if this one is already installed onto your device. So as you can see, we have this one as my current version of Python installed onto my system. So, of course, we need to go ahead and have VS Code installed. And as you can see, we have VS Code already installed here on my end. But if you haven't onto your end, just go ahead and search this specific URL onto your local browser to go ahead and install Visual Studio Code for your device. So just following the installation prompts as well, so that right after once you have completely installed that, you'll get redirected here onto its editing page or here onto the editor already. So right after, once you have installed that, it's time to install the Python extension in your VS Code. So you'll just need to go to the extension panel, which is this one here onto the left side of the screen, click onto extensions, and then right after here onto the search bar, we're going to go ahead and search for Python. So right after that, you'll just have to click onto this one, which is Python, and make sure that this one is installed onto your device already. So right after you have installed that, to create a new Python file, just head back here onto Explorer. Let's close this one out. Click onto File here onto the upper part, and there is a new file option in here. So if you click onto New File, it should go ahead and show you something like this. You'll just need to go ahead and try to name the Python file in here like test. So I have test already in here. We'll just add one so that it won't override. And then right after, let's add .py onto its last part so that it should be recognized as a Python file. So click onto enter and it should be added here onto your device already. Now you could go ahead and already write your Python code in there. Just go ahead and type in here this specific code so that we could try to print hello Python in VS Code. So to run this, you'll just need to go ahead and click onto Control S or click here on file and save this specific code here. So right after, you could just go ahead and run this onto your terminal. Just go ahead and type in here Python and then right after, the name of the file. Click onto enter, and as you can see, it would print hello Python in VS Code. And that is just basically it, how you could successfully create and run a Python file in Visual Studio Code. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.